Welcome back to our channel. Say goodbye to heavy cords, weak suction, and endless plugging and unplugging. The Tornado Strike cordless upright vacuum is here to bring raw power, dual motor performance, and effortless cordless convenience into your home. Designed for deep cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and everything in between, this upright vacuum is built to handle the toughest messes with ease. Let's dive into its top features that make it a game changer for modern cleaning. Dual motor technology. At the heart of the Tornado Strike is its dual motor system, one dedicated to suction power and the other to the brush roll. This means you're getting consistent, deep cleaning performance on all surfaces, with no loss of power. Whether it's pet hair buried in carpet fibers or crumbs on hardwood, the dual motor makes sure nothing is left behind. Cordless Freedom, no cords. No hassle. With the Tornado Strike, you get complete cordless freedom, allowing you to move from room to room without being tethered to an outlet. Clean stairs, hallways, and open spaces seamlessly, just grab it and go. From thick carpets to sleek hardwood floors, the Tornado Strike is built to adapt. With its automatic surface detection, the vacuum adjusts suction and brush speed for optimal cleaning, ensuring every floor type gets the perfect treatment. Long-lasting battery. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, this vacuum delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's more than enough to handle a full home cleaning session, so you can clean without worrying about running out of power. Advanced filtration system. The Tornado Strike isn't just powerful, it's also clean. Featuring a multi-stage HEPA filtration system, it captures dust, allergens, and microscopic particles, leaving your air fresh and healthier. Perfect for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. Lightweight upright design. Despite its powerful dual motor setup, this vacuum is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The upright design makes storage simple, while the ergonomic handle ensures cleaning is comfortable and strain-free. The Tornado Strike cordless upright vacuum, dual motor, isn't just another vacuum, it's a powerhouse built for deep, effortless cleaning. With dual motor strength, cordless convenience, and smart features, it transforms your cleaning routine from a chore into a breeze. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.